Hi, welcome to the Tijan channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and it is rear support bracket. Well, this is the dimension for this part, and then I want to show you how to make this model. Let's begin from a front end. Click on normal tool, and then go to the sketch. Click to the circle, and then start from this point. Click the smart dimension to change the diameter value for the first one, and I want to make it a 0.6 to 5 millimeter, and then apply or OK from this modify box. And then I want to make a bigger one from this point, and click smart dimension and set the diameter value to 1 millimeter. Then apply. Zoom out by click middle mouse, and then click to this line, and I want to make it a for construction. Go to the option and then start from this point. Click smart dimension to change the length value, and it is 0.88 millimeter. Then OK. For the next step, click to this line, and I want to make it horizontal. Click smart dimension. In this, there are the information, and it is 1.75 millimeter. Then OK. From its distance. For the next step, click to this line, start from this point. You can make it like this line. Right click, click to this line, press and hold the control button, then click to the circle, and then select tangen. For the next step, let's make from the right side. Click to this line, horizontal, right click and click select. Let's give the distance, and it is 1.62 millimeter mean, and it is 0.1 and 2 millimeter. Then apply. So the value is changed to 1.5 millimeter, and then click to this line. Let's make the same way from the left one. Right click and click select, click to this line, and then press and hold the control button from the keyboard and select to this circle, and from this add relation click to tangen, and then I want to click term entities. Let's make sure term to close is selected, and then click to this sketch line, and then click to this line. For the first one, I want to make a short vertical, and then horizontal, and then let's change the smart dimension to change from this distance, and it is 0.38 millimeter. Then apply. And this horizontal has the same length, and it is 0.38 millimeter. And then escape. Okay, and I want to press and hold the control button, then click to this line and then select to this line. So from this add relation option, and I want to click collinear, then apply, click smart dimension, set the distance from this one, from this line, and it is 0.38 millimeter from the thickness, and it is actually the thickness from the sketch. Then from this line to this, and it is 0.75 plus 0.8 and 8 plus 0.38 millimeter, then apply, but you must add or plus, and it is a radius, and give it 0.5 millimeter, and then apply or okay. Okay, for the next step, from this point into this line, give it 1.81 millimeter, and I want to add from its radius, and it is 0.75, then apply. For the next step, I want to give the thickness from the sketch by click a feather and then go to extrude boss. Okay, make sure from direction 1 change to mid plane, and from this first value I want to change to 0.75, and then click from this sketch and then apply. Click to this toggle, sketch, extrude boss, and for its rib thickness, set a value to 0.38 millimeter, and then click to this sketch and apply. Click to this toggle, go to sketch, extrude boss, change to mid plane, and then set a value to 1.5, and click to the sketch, then apply. Well, for the next step, let's give this sketch from this surface, click, and then make it a normal too, and then you can click right click and click a sketch, click to this line, and I want to make it a for construction. Just lengthen the line, right click and select. Well, click to the circle, click export dimension for the bigger one, and I want to make of diameter, and it is 0.75. For the smaller one, and it is 0.43 and 8 for diameter value, and then okay. Pass through this circle and make it concentric for its relation, and then click to this circle, press and hold the control button, then click to this line and make it tangent, then apply, click to this surface and convert entities, then I want to click align, just right click and click select. Let's give the distance from this line, and it is 0.3 and 8 mm. Then apply. Next step, click to this line, press and hold the control button, then click to this circle and make a tangent. Next, mirror entities. From this entities to mirror the dialog box, click to this line and mirror board this for construction line, and then I want to click trim. Okay, then close the dialog box. Next, and I want to extrude cut this part. I click on feeders, then extrude cut. Just click from this one to up to surface, select the surface, and I want to click this one and select the area, I'm sorry, delete, click to this, click extrude cut, and then click to this area, and then from this direction, and I want to click up surface, and then click to this surface, then apply. Next, click to this toggle, from the sketch, click extrude wash, then set a value to 0.12 mm, then click to this sketch and then apply. Well, click to this surface and make it a normal too. Right click and then click sketch, make it the same way For the example, and I want to make the for construction line from this middle for this line. Click to this circle, export dimension, and set a diameter value to 0.46 and 9. Then click to this and click export dimension. There are distance from this side line, and it is radius 0.5 millimeter. Then apply, and then let's give a linear sketch pattern. From this x-axis you can change to 1, and then from this y-axis make it 2, set a value, and its distance is 0.75. Click entities to pattern, then click to this circle, then apply. For the next step, click feathers, and then extrude cut for this circle sketch, and then from this direction one, click click just up the surface, and then click to the surface, then apply. Next, let's give a fillet from these edges. We click a fillet and set the value to 0.5, and then click to these edges, then okay. Go to the isometric view by Ctrl 7, and then I want to change this appearance by click this icon for the example, and I want to set a color to this one, and then okay. Hi guys, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find a similar video, you can subscribe and go to the playlist and check.